Bangladesh vs Australia T20 Series 2026 third T20 match. Both team best playing 11 and match details. Date 21 June. Time 1:30 p.m. Venue Bangladesh Cricket Stadium. Bangladesh team best playing 11. Number 1 Tauhid Hridoy. Number 2 Saif Hussain. Number 3 Tanjim Hassan. Number 4 Liton Das. Number 5 Mehdi Hassan. Number 6 Muhammad Imon. Number 7 Nasum Ahmed. Number 8 Shariful Islam. Number 9 Rashid Hussain. Number 10 Nahid Rana. Number 11 Mustafizur Rahman. Australia team best playing 11. Number 1 Cooper Connolly. Number 2 Mitchell Marsh. Number 3 Matt Renshaw. Number 4 Tim David. Number 5 Josh English. Number 6 Cameron Green. Number 7 Aaron Hardy. Number 8 Nathan Ellis. Number 9 Adam Zampa. Number 10 Xavier Bartlett. Number 11 Spencer Johnson.